survive this month's
Thank you so much, Ellie!
Lalo na sa path na iti-take mo, and I hope na yun surround yourself with people na ayan lang, happy birthday, congrats. Love you.
Thank you so much, Viva. Okay, picture daw.
birthday, Ate Maxine. We all love you. And I will...
First of all,
meron lang akong tatlong wish sa'yo. Kagaya ni Jollibee.
ang unang wish ni Jollibee.
Next on the list, Mia.
Hi, Max! Happy birthday. Tapos, kakatok ako sa room mo para just continue well. Just continue what you love. And I'm following your IG. It's so amazing, all of your art stuff. So, please continue doing that.
Alright, thank you so much. SK Chairperson Kylie Chua. Next, we have...
Kasi dahil na lasing man happy birthday, Maxine.
But the people who make you happy love you, guide you, and will always accept you no matter what. So, I wish you guys, you know that beautiful and wonderful future ahead of you.
Hi po sa inyong lahat! Ate Maxine, happy 18th birthday. Alam mo naman si Mama Balay.
Uy, I'm telling you, Mom.
Laging nandito.
Thank you so much.
Bless you with many talents, and I hope you continue to be passionate about them, especially about your art. How you get, and trust that you're loved and supported no matter what.
Si Axel talaga, oo.
Happy 18th birthday. Also the person you're becoming. Keep shining as you step into the spotlight of adulthood. Remember that your debut is a reflection step of the way. May your 18th year be a blend of tradition, vibrant as your aspirations, unafraid to soar. Remember this, there is no rules in creativity. Just enjoy what you love and just be what you are. Bless you always, my dear, and happy birthday to you.
O, diba? Sabi ko sa hindi magpapatalo si Ate Isa. Si Ate Isa?
Into adulthood, embrace every challenge. May this candle be a symbol of the bright future. Keep shining, keep believing, and always stay true to yourself.
Alright.
Wala, natakot na sugat ni Luisa ni Terigi.
Alright. Next, we have... Ito hindi din to magpapatalo. And after ng picture, etong next.
Wish ko sa'yo, makuha ko.
Thank you, Ate Jane. Okay, picture muna. Miss John Chua!
Ang good, tapos ang studies mo, inuna mo, ang very proud. At saka,
Siyempre, last but definitely not... Alright. Okay, picture muna. And I would like to invite... Alright, next naman, si Axel. Thank you, boss, please.
First of all, Ate, happy birthday. Parang kahapon sa mga pagkain, bagay-bagay, laruan. Tapos ngayon, nag-mature ka na.
Attended that type of meeting, and I just want to say thank you so much.